Dear students, B देखो B. Things may be big or small in size. Things may be big or small in size. So means there are so many things. There are so many things. You know, my dear students, there are so many things around ourselves. This is a blackboard. Okay. So things may be big or small in size. This is a blackboard. What is its it is its size? The size is very big. Look at this. This is a chair. Okay, this is a chair. What is the size of this chair? This is smaller than blackboard. Okay, this is a table. You know, this is a table. It has also a size. This is a book. This is a book. It is smaller than this table. Okay, this is also, please see, this is a triangle. This is a triangle. It has one shape, and this is a square. It has one shape. But this square is bigger than this one. This square is bigger than this one. So the things may be big or small in size. Look at this picture. Tiger is big in size. On the other hand, cat is small in size. Bungalow is big in size. On the other hand, hut means जिसे हम झोपड़ी कहते हैं, it is small in size. Eagle is a bird, it is very big. And sparrow is also one kind of bird, but it is small in size. Blackboard is big in size. On the other hand, on slate generally you small students write, it is small in size. You know, sugarcane means what? जिसे हम हिंदी में गन्ना कहते हैं, मराठीमध्ये आपण याला ऊस म्हणतो. ओके, इट इज बिग इन साइज. ऑन द अदर हँड मॅच स्टिक्स, काडेपेटीच्या बॉक्समध्ये जी काडी असते, इट इज थिन और स्मॉल इन साइज. देखो प्लीज सी हियर सी में यहाँ पे लिखा है थिंग्स में बी थिक और थिन. थिंग्स में बी थिक और थिन. थिक का मतलब क्या है? थिक मीन्स जाड एंड थिन मीन्स पातळ किंवा बारीक. शुगरकेन इज थिक. शुगरकेन हा जाड असतो. ऑन द अदर हँड मॅच स्टिक इज थिन. काडीपेटीतली काडी ही कशी असते? बारीक असते. बघा, exercise. Before doing exercise, I will tell you. Please see. This is a wristwatch. Okay, this is a wristwatch. And what is this? This is finger. This is index finger. So a wristwatch is thick than index finger. You understood? Or on the other hand, index finger is thinner. Index finger is thinner than wristwatch. Understood? Look at this picture. In the following pairs, tick write the smaller one. Okay, so here they have given you some pictures. जो पिक्चर छोटा है उस पिक्चर को तुम्हें टिक करना है. ओके, so here there is sheep and there is lion also, but sheep is smaller than lion. That is why you have to tick right to the sheep. Okay, here please see, there is eagle also and there is parrot also, but eagle is bigger than parrot and parrot is smaller than eagle. That is why you have to tick here to the parrot. In this picture, car and there is car and there is truck, but you know car is always smaller than a truck. Okay, that is why you have to tick here near the car. In this picture, there is a wristwatch and there is a clock also. Generally we tie wristwatch on our wrist and we tie clock on our wall. Okay, and wristwatch is smaller than clock. That is why you should make a tick to the wristwatch. Look at this picture. Pen, there is pen also and there is pin also. Okay, pin is thinner. Okay, pin is thinner than pen. That is why tick to the pin. Okay, and here देखो, pencil is smaller than a bamboo. Pencil is smaller than a bamboo or thinner than bamboo. That is why you should tick here to the pencil. Here also elephant legs and डिअर लेग्स. डिअर मीन्स इथं हरणाचे पाय दिलेले आहेत, इथं हत्तीचे पाय दिलेले आहेत. यू नो दॅट ऑलवेज डिअर लेग्स आर थिनर दॅन elephant. That is why tick here, and here there is a thumb and there is a index finger, and index finger is always thinner than a thumb. That is why it is make a tick here. Understood? So tick mark here, here again tick mark here, and again tick mark. So my dear students, I hope, I think that you understood this lesson very well. Okay, there is nothing difficult in this lesson. We have today learned the sizes and shapes. Okay, which is small, that is small in size. Okay, and which things is big, that is big in size, and thick means jar and thin means bari. You got it? Study this lesson very well 2 times in your notebook. Have a nice day. Thank you.